Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Taxi backends Angular's inside. Today we need to create here the zone service wise the price listing. You have need to develop here as well as need to call here the price listing API. We need to call this here. First of all, so we need to here to declare this API inside the common structures. We need to go inside the common TS files and to write down here the one API for the years and to write down here zone service wise service price. Like this, we need to give these years and to paste this here this API like this calls here on service price and to write down and also need to write down here controllers need to create need to write down first of all need to write down here the ngc for components need to this here zone management service price and to remove here service price list. So need to create these files and also need to create the class for the zone price. Give this price. Like this now need to creating seers and also need to indicate seer the person to go inside the models and to go price and write down here the constructors to seers define here brackets. Now define here public variables need to give this here also need to price id need to identify here integer number. Also need to define here service id this value this here. And after need to set here the zone id define here numbers. After need to give this here okay zone name as a need to pass here string set here this value. Then after need to give this here city names as a pass here string double quotes if define here. Now we need to define here the public then after we need to write down here text copy the strings value paste this here. After we need to give this here the service names we need to set here public name set here. Then after defines here the is charge copy here the multiple lines and paste it here and to just with database code per minute charge king charge and after minimum pair then after we need to pass here the kilometers and then after cancel charge we need to down like this here the and these models are the creating are the done to here this value are the defining here. Now need to copy here the HTMLs copy this here, and we need to go inside the zone management and go here price list, that HTML. So we need to paste this here, to also to write down here on service price minute. And also need to remove this wall. Later we need to define here the filters. Now still here these wall things. Now we need to define here the price list like this sets here. Also need to define here filters, apply these filters like this. We need to set here. Now we need to go inside the TS files and we need to copy this here, this wall value, and we need to go inside the price list files and this here, and now we need to import here. This asks me and this zone price and to snip. Also need to import here snack bar dialog. So need to here consumer change icon. So need to select apps. Add data, no needs, need to dialogs. So need this here. So imports here. SV SV price. All these here, and also need to pass here the two parameters. Now node defines any types. Need to later create here the filters. Need to add here the tops inside the way. But first of all, priority we need to give this here the listing here, the price list table or the listings are to getting like this here. And also need to define here the columns names. Need to define here one by one and to paste this here, displaying like this here. Lines. Suppose need to define here the zone name. Then after need to set this service name. Then after base price charge. And after per kilometer charge. Minute charge. Then after need to then after need to set this here minimum charge. Then after need to define here the columns the pairs minimum kilo. Then need to declare here the cancel charge. Then after need to declare the year like this column. Finding here, copy these years file and to opportunity to here the font name here suppose font name like this. That's here. After the service names, after charge, charge, page charge, and after kilometer charge, see kilometer charge names here TL copy here, which is but not displaying null's value after displaying like this at years. Then after the minute charge here this column this here. Now need to check charge charge need charge need to and to set. Then after need that here link key charge see here. Depends here the in charge need to here in charge. In order to minimum charge you need to after need to cuts again and to test this here this value and here the like this at here and after cancel charge with these years and to these years like this. So need to cut here, also need to see your genders seems. Now this is the edit or delete buttons are the callings here and displaying these columns are the settings. Now need to configure here inside the routes we need to configure suppose this here we need to write down here on price. With this years now we need to give this here the components names as a price list component. So need to set this here, save these years. Now need to go inside the base, need to go the base designs inside HTML, and also need to give this here heads inside the zone management. Need to paste this here into write down here price. Like this, we need to define here the titles. Good. Now need to save these here. So also need to cross verify for these routes names. Need to copy and paste. Now need to save these here and to set the results and to paste this here this value. Right. Save these here and now need to run this project and to check work or not. And tomorrow need to see this here the filters inside the tops. Need to write down here set the on price list inside need to get filters, but tomorrow. Now loading this here the page and to wait for loading this UI. Now need to go here and one more thing, so we need to set this here the remove active to need to remove here every place. Here this block. See. Now need to go here and to check here the gets any errors need here. Now need to go rates or service price are the set rates here. Need to check inside the database why not gets others. Go here. Go details that here status displaying here too, but displaying one value. Need to see here the issue, but this here's displaying only last value. See here what's check this query. One here Node.js servers. See here copy this query SQLs paste this here and to let's here only one data. Need to check here the all conditions. Price status is status is equal. Need to set here the price and set here equal to equal. But we need to get here the issue very inside it because is the service are the inactive, but need to call here the active service. Need to set this here. Then after the displaying here, need to fix these conditions here and to write down here the not equal to is conditions. So need to apply here and start this node servers. Now this is the restart here, and to again reload this page. Now here gets here the, and here displaying here the on list. And now tomorrow need to create here the filters, zone wise filter, as well as need to service specific the filters need to find here two filters, need to set here the create dot rounds and selected ID wise displaying here the filters. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.